Okay, good evening everybody and welcome to the 25th wedding anniversary of our beloved parents, Anuj and Swati, and I'm Vidushi.
And I'm Anj.
And how's everyone feeling tonight? Can I get a... Can we get it a bit louder? So, are you guys ready for the bride to walk in? You've all met the groom. Yeah? Come on guys. Yeah, come on.
Or Abhi, it's time for the moment we all have been waiting for. Please rise and put your hands together for the stars of the night. Swati and Anuj.
चिलमन है दुश्मन है हमारी ओ ये जो चिलमन है दुश्मन है हमारी कितनी शर्मीली कितनी शर्मीली मेरी ज़ोहरत भी तुझे मालूम नहीं, तू अभी तक है हंसी और मैं जवान, तुझे कुर्बान मेरी जान मेरी जान। ऐ मेरी ज़ोहरत भी तुझे मालूम नहीं, तू अभी तक है हंसी और मैं जवान, तुझे कुर्बान मेरी जान मेरी जान। ये शौकिया ये बातपन जो तुझ में है कहीं नहीं, ये शौकिया ये बातपन जो तुझ में है कहीं नहीं, दिलों को जीतने का फन जो तुझ में है कहीं नहीं। मैं तेरी आंखों में पा गया दो जहां, मैं तेरी आंखों में पा गया दो जहां। ऐ मेरी ज़ोहरा जबीं तुझे मालूम नहीं, तू अभी तक है हंसी और मैं जवान, तुझ पे कुर्बान मेरी जान मेरी जान।
Okay, that was really cute. 25 years of being together, and then it really shows. So, can we get a huge round of applause for their performance and their entry, please? Woo!
और इस पल को और यादगार बनाने के लिए now the beautiful couple will exchange rings.
आधा तेरा इश्क आधा मेरा, ऐसे हो पूरा चंद्रमा। ओ तारा तेरा।
And now let us hear from the couple of the evening.
I need to say something. Okay, मेरा phone किधर? This is the effect of 25 years. I can't read, so I need some help. I need some water. The kids are also drinking something else. Okay, first of all, thank you everyone for joining us today. It's been, I think, heartwarming and amazing to have you, all of you, with us. We are here to celebrate 25th wedding anniversary celebrations of, obviously, me and Swati. So, I think it's a 25 years of love, commitment, respect, trust, family values, and we thank every one of you who have joined us today, which is our extended family in Singapore. As it means a lot to us, it really means a lot to us that we have all of you coming here, spending your time, spending your evening, and joining us for this small little celebrations. और मैं सिर्फ यही कहना चाहूँगा कि ये जो मोमेंट है ये सिर्फ मेरा या स्वाति का मोमेंट नहीं है, ये हम सब का मोमेंट है, क्योंकि हम लोगों ने, थैंक यू, आई थिंक 25 साल में से 80% टाइम हमने सिंगापुर में ही बिताया और आप लोगों के साथ ही बिताया। तो ये मोमेंट हमारा नहीं है, ये एक्चुअली में हम सब का मोमेंट है, एंड वी रियली वांटेड टू मेक श्योर कि हम सब साथ हों और हम सब इसका हिस्सा बने। हम लोग, काफ़ी लोग हमसे यहाँ सीनियर भी हैं जो कि ऑलरेडी 25 इयर्स कर चुके हैं, कुछ लोग करने वाले हैं, वी हैव सम यंग जनरेशंस, वी हैव पीपल हु हैव डन दिस ऑलरेडी recently, so we want this to be an inspiration to the next generation, what it means for a couple to have this commitment of 25 years. Okay, so this is something which is for all of you. I think, okay, start from, give me the first slide. I just wanted to share with you, just look at the screens, maybe you'll have to start from one. Yeah. So I have this a bit of stuff, how the journey started. Two Virgos we met May 99, and the moment, truth, Aji Sunte Ho, that started in November. we had our first anniversary gift, Vidushi, the most precious gift we had, followed by another Virgo, Ansh, the naughty partner of Vidushi who joined us. And 2006, we landed up in Singapore. So almost 20 years we have been in Singapore. So that's our home. That's how we started this journey. Today, as we mark this extraordinary 25 years journey, we are reminded that time truly does fly when you are surrounded by right people. And we have been part of, all these right people have been part of our journey. We have holy celebrations together. We have our 20th anniversary. We have Nishidi here, Pradeep ji, Indra ji. All of us have been part of it. Another younger generation, Divya, Nimisha, Sugandha, and the next generation. We have Nihar, we have Khushi, we have Nani, we have Mihika. So these guys are still here. So that's the next generation. So all these have been part of this journey from various, I would say, acquaintances, friends that have been part of our life and our journey during this 25 years. So these are the friends that you really, truly care about. They are always with you, and we are very, very fortunate that all of these friends are here. Most of them, I would say 90% of all these friends who we started 20 years back, and some are very, very, I would say, recent, are all here. And this really means a lot to us. Whether through the joys, the challenges, or the quiet moments, each year has brought something special, creating memories that last forever and that we cherish for life. Some special moments that we shared with all of you over these years. Fun with the friends. We have people, we have Adrian, we have Grace, also sitting here. Thanks guys. We have Ajit Bhai, Nitin Bhai, Sangeeta Bhabhi, Anjali Bhabhi, thank you. We have Vranda, obviously Sumit Prabhu, thank you for joining us. And then, nevertheless, I think we had Mary and Kinu, the pillar of our family as well. Thank you so much for all of you with us. So we have built something very, very beautiful in these 25 years. Not just a life together, but a home that is filled with love, trust and respect. Obviously, momently, we do fight as a usual couples. We have our disagreements, but that's part of life. I think we can't avoid it. Even recently, we had some altercations. Hopefully, things will be better soon. And finally, my wonderful partner, Swati. Yeah, and she looks lovely. 25 years, right? 23. So I remember the first time we met, like it was yesterday, being 25 years. So today, guys, today is not the 25th year of anniversary. We already, as you would see in the slides, the anniversary was November 1999. So November 2024, we are already celebrated, which was obviously celebrated by a very close group of friends at their home. We had a bit of celebrations with our families in India in December. And obviously in January, we had one of our very close friends' daughter's marriage. So we couldn't celebrate in January. And unfortunately, we wanted to meet you, the newest bride of our community, of our group. Unfortunately, she can't join, but we have the parents. We have Nidhi Bhabhi and where is Rajiv? Guys, put your hands. Thank you. Please pass on this message to Isha that this is 25 years. She has to cross that milestone. Yes. So I stand here now in awe of everything that we've accomplished. Just a small thing which I would want to say about my partner. I'll try and sing in English language, which is not my native. You are my bread when I am hungry. You are my shelter from trouble winds. You are my anchor in life's ocean, but most of all, you are my best friend. और इसी का एक छोटा सा before I end my speech, I think it's taking too long for you guys. These guys are really trying to come up the stage. 2 more minutes. Okay. So इसका हिंदी रूपांतरण. अच्छा, one more thing. This is actually true not only for me, but for the entire family. Okay. So if I take this on behalf of Ansh and Vidoshi, this will be like, you are our bread when we are hungry. You are our shelter from troubled winds. You are our anchor in life's ocean. But most of all, you are our best friend. और हिंदी में, तू धार है नदिया की, मैं तेरा किनारा हूँ, तू मेरा सहारा है, मैं तेरा सहारा हूँ, दो पल का जीवन है, एक उम्र चुरानी है, जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है. And the next commitment, this was 25 years now, and the next commitment for next 25 years, जो बीत गया है वो अब दौर न आएगा, इस दिल में सिवा तेरे कोई और न आएगा. आँखों में समंदर है, आशाओं का पानी है, जिंदगी और कुछ भी नहीं, तेरी मेरी कहानी है, तेरी मेरी कहानी है. Thank you very much. Thank you so much for all of you to join us. Thank you.
Okay, we're gonna be taking over now. Okay, so 25 साल पहले आज के दिन मम्मी और पापा ने एक वादा किया था, एंड हमेशा साथ रहने का, हर खुशी और हर चैलेंज में एक दूसरे का सपोर्ट करने का. और देखो, आज भी वही प्यार, वही मस्ती और वही एक दूसरे की टांग खींचने का जज्बा बरकरार है. So in this spirit, can we rejoice as they cut their cake, please?
मुझको इतना बताए कोई, कैसे तुझसे दिल ना लगाए कोई. रब्बा ने तुझको बनाने में कर दी है हुस्न की खाली तिजोरियां, काजल की सियाही से लिखी है तूने जाने कितनों की लव स्टोरियां. केसरिया तेरा इश्क है पिया, रंग जाऊं जो मैं हाथ लगाऊं, दिन बीते सारा तेरी फिक्र में, रैन सारी तेरी खैर बनाऊं. केसरिया तेरा इश्क है पिया.
And now, for the most exciting part of the evening, are we ready to pop some champagne to begin the celebrations tonight? Come on, I can't hear you one more time. Are we ready for tonight?
We request everyone in the meantime to grab a glass of a drink while we're waiting, so we can cheers together in the end.
लड़कों के दिलों में तू आग लगा दे बेबी फायर नकली से न करे तो करे जब देखे हमें झूठी लायर काला काला चश्मा चचता तेरे
Okay, everyone, let's raise our glasses to and cheers to Anuj and Swati. Thank you, everybody. Can we hear a woo?
तू मुंडा